another Black Friday haul. This one it's from, oh yeah, by the way, you can see my Christmas spirit. This one it's from MISSHA, so let me start. First item is their bestseller kit. Let me open it so I can show it to you better. What comes in it is the treatment essence, night serum, Snail cream, and the cleansing foam. Okay, so you have 4 little items. That's their Snail cleansing foam, which is really good. Already have few backups. It takes everything off. You can also use it as a double cleanse, but it will not strip down your skin. From the same line, you have the Snail cream. You also get the Snail cream. That's the travel size. Now, this is the full and upgraded package. Then we have the night repair. If you're familiar with Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair, that's kind of a similar. The last one is the essence. If memory serves me right, MISSHA they make a dupe for the SK2 essence with the yeast extract. However, I believe it's like 3 times cheaper. But yeah, when you bought the set, you got the little bag for free. And on the picture, okay, when I was buying it on the internet, it looks bigger. Till I receive it and I realize it's so small. But oh well, I can still use it for something. Okay, what we got here is, if you watch my Snail line review, that's the toner. And yes, that's from the same line as this item and the yellow cream. So anyway, I did like the product, and because they changed the package, I don't want to miss on it. So I ordered 2 more bottles. Especially that MISSHA was doing, what is the second one? Was doing 40% off. By the way, that's the small size. That's the full one. So right now they have the essence and the cream. In case if you want to try it, that's the code, which is good. Okay, for the next few months. Nice. Okay, so now you see the size of the bag. It's really, really small. But let's go back to the little haul. I have the peeling gel. It comes in a little tube. I already used like 2 of them. It comes in a squeezy tube. So you put it on your face and then you massage it. And part of your dead skin or your dead particles, like the dead layer, is gonna come off. I do like it. It's really gentle. We have small travel size of the Snail cream, a small pack of the Time Revolution trial set, which comes with which comes with toner, essence, and the ampoule. So possible they're gonna be similar to this. Let me just open up. In a set, you have 3 items. So you have the toner, the hydrating toner, if I can put it that. Hydrating toner, you can put it that way, and 1 more of the night repairs. So yeah, it is a good thing to use while you travel. What we got left are the sheet mask. That's the deep pore with black charcoal. No, I didn't try it, so to be find out. Okay. Oh, this is another deep clean with a mat. We got the hyaluronic acid, so yeah, for sure I'm curious about it, because you cannot really go wrong with hyaluronic acid. It's one of those ingredients which is gonna work. Okay, hydrogel and this hydration. All right, yeah, maybe I'm gonna try it tonight. Then we have 3-step. What is this? Step 1, step 2, step 3. Purifying mask. What does it say? Purifying mask to be find out. Okay, cool. Then I have a sample of the Pollen Renew Ampoule. Okay, what is Pollen? So what this does, it works with wrinkles and brightens. Oh yeah, by the way, talking about the pollen, that's the sample which I received, but I have their little set, Be Pollen Renew special kit, which has 3 items in it. And I don't know if you can see it. I don't know if you can see it. So here we go. The Ampoule, the Be Pollen Ampoule, Renew Cream, and Handmade soap. So again, explaining what it's Be Pollen, what's Ampouler. Let me open up so at least you can see the sizes. This soap smells really nice. So you get the little Ampoule. Here we go. Then you got the cream. Ready? Okay, we got the cream. My short overview of the MISSHA haul. I do enjoy the brand, and for sure I'm gonna do like a rehaul or a separate video of MISSHA products and tell you which one I like the most and which one I'm recommending, the same as with the Jaya items. But anyway, I see you guys next time. Bye.